My dear friends in Christ Jesus, Magnifica Humanitas, encyclical written by Pope Leo XIV, speaks about protecting the human dignity in the age of artificial intelligence. Pope Leo reminds us that the technology is a gift to the humanity and it should not replace the human heart. He just compares this digital era with the Tower of Babel, which symbolizes pride, greed, injustice, and fight against God. He also brings the role of Nehemiah, who built Jerusalem temple, encouraging people to rely upon God, to make God a center. Thus, this encyclical emphasizes on the role of human dignity. It also calls for a society of human values, justice, truth, peace, and fraternity. Pope Leo XIV explains the importance and uses of artificial intelligence to the humanity in the field of education, scientific development, endeavors, exploration, and whatnot. This artificial intelligence is becoming a threat to this human society at this present scenario, replacing the humanity and just modifying the humans as a prior data. This encyclical speaks about the dangers to humanity and its dignity for the selfish motives, prejudice, and pride. Pope Leo warns this digital era not to replace human dignity at the cost of data. Pope Leo points out that the importance of human person and his dignity completely relies upon the unconditional love of God, but not on the success, intelligence, or fame and name. Human person is created in the image and likeness of God, so he has an importance and uniqueness and usefulness in his own person and image. This encyclical also speaks of church's doctrine and its teaching about humans' dignity, humans' welfare, humans' good, human fraternity, and well-being. It also calls all sections of the people in a society like educators, businessmen, socialists to make use of the technology in a responsible manner and to look after the people who are ignored. It also asks these people to look after the poor, vulnerable, migrants, those left behind due to this digital era. Pope Leo XIV speaks about manipulation, misinformation, unemployment caused by automation. He urges the entire humanity to stand for the truth, peace, fraternity, and universal brotherhood in common love. Finally, Pope calls all people of goodwill, Christians, to remain in communion in this digital era. He asks people to become builders of communion rather than to create Tower of Babel and confusions. This encyclical conveys the message, concluding with a hope that human era should depend upon the technology with a responsible use of it, serving the humanity at large and making everyone responsible for the decisions they take.